Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your job search using Indeed Resume Quick Apply easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your job search using Indeed Resume Quick Apply, start by visiting the Indeed website. Sign into your existing Indeed account or create a new one if you don't have it yet. Once you're signed in, navigate to the resume section located in the top menu. Here, you will see your existing resume or be prompted to create one. To use Quick Apply, begin your job search by entering your desired job title or keywords into the search bar. Select your preferred location to narrow down the search results. Scroll through the job listings and look for positions that interest you. Check for the Quick Apply button on the job listings. Click on the Quick Apply button for the job you want to apply for. You may be asked to review your resume information before submitting. Make sure all your resume details are accurate and up to date. If necessary, add or edit any sections directly in the application interface. After confirming your resume details, you may be required to answer any additional questions from the employer. Read through any specific application instructions provided by the employer. Once you're satisfied with your application, click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation that your application has been sent. Repeat this process for any additional jobs you wish to apply to using Quick Apply. Monitor your email for updates on your applications and interview requests. That's how you can efficiently transfer your job search using Indeed Resume Quick Apply. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.